Instagram automatic turn off problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So guys, as you can see here, I have opened my Instagram and I've went to message section and then it's turning off automatically. So to fix this problem, what you need to do here in this video, I'm going to show you. First of all, go to Play Store and then search for the Instagram app. And then if your Instagram is asking for any kind of update, make sure to update your Instagram. After updating your Instagram, what you need to do, go to settings and then scroll down. After scrolling down here, you will get one option that is apps or app management, and then go to app list or app management, and then here you will get all the application which has been installed to your phone. So here you have to search for Instagram, and then here you can see storage usage option. Simply you need to click on it and then clear the data as well as the cache. After doing this, go back and click on permission button, and then here you have to allow each and every permission. Okay, after allowing each and every permission, what you need to do, just go back and then click on settings once again, and then you have to check whether your device is asking for any kind of update or not. If your device is asking for any kind of update, make sure to update your system or software. After this, just delete your Instagram from your device and then reinstall it. Your problem will be absolutely solved.